Welcome! Today, you will be learning how to schedule an event by using a doodle poll. Click Start to begin. Consider this. What are some things you need to start planning an event? Click Continue when you are ready to proceed. Jane is planning several live focus groups with employees from various departments across her company. To help determine a date and time convenient for all parties, she has decided to use Doodle. Let's help Jane set up her first doodle poll. Click Continue to proceed. What is Doodle? Doodle is an online scheduling tool that can be used quickly and easily to find a date and time to meet with multiple people. Before you use Doodle, determine the following: the event name, the location, and possible dates. Doodle will do the rest. Click Continue to proceed. Here is the home screen. Sign up with Doodle is optional. For this demonstration, we will not sign up for an account. Select to enter your occasion. Type in the name of your event. Click Create Doodle Poll. Now that you have named your event, click here to add the location of your event. Add a note for your recipients. Click Continue. Select the day or days for your event. Select the 22nd to continue. Next, select your times. Select a start time. Select 9 o'clock. Select Add more times to add additional time slots for your event. 3 more time options have been added. Select Continue to proceed. You may now select your poll settings. Select Continue to proceed. On this screen, Jane has entered her name and email address. Now, select Finish to complete poll setup. Your poll has now been created. Use this link to send your poll to your recipients. Click Continue to proceed. This is how your completed poll will look. Select the button to complete a short assessment. Select the area that will allow you to create a new doodle poll. Correct. Continue to the next question. Select the area of the screen that will allow you to add more time options. Correct. Select Continue. Thank you for completing this module.